Have left me. I'm sorry, the iPad closed. But she just left me. She done left me. Oh my god, bro. There's a neon fly ride. Kids. I love kittens. And they declined. I do not know why, but I think my offer is under the ground. I found this neon bear. I'm so sorry, it's so quiet. But it's a neon fly ride. Definitely declined for this. But yes, it's fine. Definitely declined. Declined. I knew it. Oh my gosh, I chased them all down for just a. I have added my robo dog. Let's see if they are gonna accept. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Accept. I know they're gonna decline. Accept. Oh my goodness. So this dude is doing a challenge. So that is an uncommon. So I will add that. Or actually, I will just add that. I think they're doing the uncommon to legendary challenge. Sorry. I do not know that, but I'm just doing this. Okay, shut up now. And I will accept it by. Thank you. I'm now trading this guy. Oh, they're on the energy. Would you like a Triceratops for your cracked egg? I haven't even gotten one a legendary yet. It's so sad. I know it is. I know. Just gave them a phoenix fox. So I really love phoenix. I love the way they wag their tails whenever I can have a free pet and do my challenges. Bro. Okay, fine. I'll give you a free puma. There we go. Alright, let's just quickly do a little inventory tour. 0 gifts. I kind of collect toys, but I don't have a lot. A pretty decent amount of vehicles. A lot of food. No, I collect food too. 1 stroller. I don't collect strollers that much. Pet wear, I think it's about a decent amount. This is my inventory. Get ready for the best one. Oh my goodness. Alright, whatever. Gotta add my fly ride. Let's see what they're gonna add. You gotta add something, baby. No. Not gonna do that. It's absolutely no. No. There. That's much better. I'm not gonna lie, I just saw somebody take off their skirt. It's gonna blind. Bro, the people with the richest inventory are so lucky. I've probably been trading over life to get those pants, and I really want to be rich. So I will start recording again when I get another trade. The creepiest things happen to the robo dog when you hold out a drink or something, a toy or something. So when you run away, hold on. So when you run away, their head pops up of their body. It hovers from the ground. It hovers from the actual body itself. Look at that. Bro, what the? Bro, what? Did you catch that, you guys? Did you catch that? Whoa! The head. What the heck? That, bro, what the heck? What the heck is happening? Sorry, guys, I have to end it here.